Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jessica. I am a military wife and I have 2 little girls, and I do a cleaning video every single week. In today's video, I'm going to be collabing with my friend Kristen Casper. Everyone on YouTube that sees her and then sees me always comments to both of us and tells us that we look like sisters. And as you can see, I would have to agree with that. Kristen is a really good friend of mine here on YouTube. I really love her and we are a lot alike. So if you like my videos, I really think that you will like Kristen's videos. And if you're coming over from Kristen's channel, I hope that you like me too. And let me know in the comments if you're new. I would love to introduce myself. I do have a 2-story house, so I was starting upstairs. This is my little 4-year-old's room. I just basically tidied up, made her bed, picked up some toys. I did wipe down the furniture and then I vacuumed, but it was by no means a deep clean. When I'm cleaning the whole house, like say we have guests coming or something like that, then this is basically the routine that I will do. In one of my cleaning videos recently, a subscriber had asked me if I had tried this Smartly cleaner stuff, and I had never heard of it. So when I went into Target and I saw it, I grabbed a bottle. It's like $1 something for this huge bottle, and it smells really, really good. So I do like it a lot so far. So now I'm moving on to our hallway, and we have a huge hallway. It's basically the size of a room. I do love it though. It's very pretty. This is my favorite spot in the house, and in a minute when I turn the camera, you will see why. If you're wondering about the cute little doggies running around, the big brown one is Bailey May. She'll be a year next month. And then the little white one is Tucker. He's my main squeeze, and he is 6 years old. That room behind me is our bonus room. It's massive, and that will be another video. I am fixing to go through and KonMari the you-know-what out of it. It is so bad in there. That's where the girls keep their toys. But this is the view that I'm talking about a minute ago. I love this view. So this hallway upstairs is my favorite part in the house, and I'm just dusting through these I guess they're called spokes on the stairs, because that can get pretty dusty. And now this is the girls' bathroom, and I'm just doing a quick wipe down of the toilet and the countertops. I'm using this Windex antibacterial spray. I like it a lot because I could do the glass and the countertops. It doesn't leave streaks or anything, and it disinfects.
Don't take no chances, fill up all the blanks.
I had actually just washed their bath mats, so I had brought them out of the dryer and went ahead and put them back in. I do have to wash them a lot because they're white and I don't like them. I want to get a different color because the white gets dirty so fast.
Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it?
So now I'm downstairs and I'm doing the main living areas, my kitchen and the living room. It is pretty bad down here. I don't know why, but for some reason, it's just like within 5 minutes down here is completely destroyed with my kids. So it's always a mess. And usually I would start downstairs and work my way up. But this time I started upstairs and worked my way down. And I did like doing it this way because I don't like cleaning the upstairs. I don't know why. I just really don't. And I didn't clean my older daughter's room because she cleans her own room every Friday. She cleans her own room. And she does a really good job. So I didn't clean her room in this video, and that's why.
DJ got me twisted, liquid got me distant. Don't you know? Well, you should know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift in the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift in the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for I'm just in it for just the high life drift in the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift in the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for
I come and go like a rah. They don't want the TOOBY going nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a rah. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still dropping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the bobo.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me. In bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me.
So that was my puck light, I think they call them, like the under cabinet lighting, and it keeps falling down. It's driving me insane. The little pad is still super sticky, so I don't know why it keeps falling down, but I think it fell down 3 times in this video, no lie, so I've just kept it down because I'm over it. There's only 2 that keep falling down. The other, I think I have 3 more, haven't fallen down at all, but these 2 just do not want to stick up there, and they're driving me crazy, and they will fall off like in the most random time of day. It'll be like the kids are in bed and I'm sitting in the living room watching TV, and all of a sudden bang, and I'll jump out of my skin.
nonsense, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk.
If you are new here and you're wondering where some of the things at my house are from, definitely check the description box. I have a few things listed in there, and then definitely check out my most recent home tour. I'll have a card go across now if you want to check that out. Or actually, you know what? I'll just link it in the description box. That way you can finish this video and then you can go check out my home tour, and then hopefully that will answer where I got something. And if you don't see it, then you can definitely ask me and I will try and get back with you. One thing that is not in that home tour are those floral pillows on my love seat over there. I did just get those. I got them from the store called At Home, and they were $12.99. They're so cute, and I get asked that all the time, so I'll just let you know right now that that's where they are from, because they are not in the home tour.
You got eyes like summer sky. If you're smart, could kill or die. And now it starts to rain, so let's enjoy it.
I like to diffuse some lemon oil in my diffuser here because I think it smells really fresh and clean, and it's supposed to uplift your mood, and it does make me happy simply because it smells clean, and clean makes me happy. So, and if you're curious where I got that pineapple diffuser, it is in my Amazon shop, which is linked in the description.
Sweetheart, I'll be by your side, and when I do get to see your smile, I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight. You keep telling me you're shy. If smart could kill or die, there's no need to rush. If something is meant to be, I really felt for you, and I want you to be mine.
As you can see, I have my little assistant. She loves to hand me the pillows when I'm making my bed, and she loves to help me mop. So you will see her helping me mop, which is really, really cute. So make sure you keep watching so you can see that. But she's just so cute, and she loves to help me. So I love when she follows me around and she's helpful and not whining, which is more regular than the helping part, I assure you.
By your side, and when I do get to see your smile, I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight. When the sky is cloudy, we just climb right in. You are all I want, more than everything. Feels just like I'm flying when I'm here with you. I was standing waiting just for you.
I dropped my Lysol wipe in the toilet. I was so mad, but I was not going in there after it. So it went on down, and I don't feel guilty because I was not going to reach my hand in there and get that thing out. But I'm just using the Lysol wipes just to clean it down for a quick wipe down. When I'm actually cleaning the toilet, I'll use a rag. But because I keep those in my bathroom, I just use them to wipe it down really quick.
See your smile, I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight. I'll be right there, and anything you want for you, my sweetheart. I'll be by your side, and when I do get to see your smile, I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart.
I did vacuum in this room, but I had done it the night before, so I didn't want to turn around and do it again just for the sake of this video. So the very last thing that I did was the floors. I used my Dyson V8 cordless vacuum that I love so much to vacuum, and then I just mopped them down with my Bona.
Together we can go crazy. We can put out the lights. Together we can go, we can go. I look straight in your eyes, and everything is so hazy. It is just you and I, and everything is so, so call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy.
And now I have my little helper helping me mop. I have an old Swiffer and I have some pads left for it, so I always put one of those pads on it and let her help me, and she really enjoys doing it, and it's so cute. So if you think it's cute, definitely leave Kensley a thumbs up.
Nobody's breaking you're keeping up with steps I take, so we just dance alone. Yeah, we dance like no one's watching. So call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want. So call me out, baby.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this clean with me. If you did, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up. And hey, if you're new, hit that red subscribe button and join the family. That way you don't miss out when I upload. Like I said, I do upload one cleaning video at least a week, and then I do a variety of other lifestyle mommy type videos. So take a look around on my channel, and hopefully you will enjoy my content and decide to subscribe. But I will see you in my next video. Bye.